Meditation has been serving the world for centuries. Thousands of years of evidence has pointed to the spiritual, emotional, and even physical benefits of taking the time out of your day for quiet reflection and relaxation. While many people may be intimidated by the thought of being forced into a quiet place with their thoughts, the truth is that giving yourself a chance to reflect provides you with a special opportunity to become more self-aware and more productive than ever before. It can help us to fight off negative feelings, reduce stress, and reflect on mistakes so that we are operating at our highest possible potential. Sure, the idea of trying to clear your mind can be a little bit overwhelming, especially if you are an active person and don't like to sit still for very long. But ultimately, meditation can help us to spend our time more productively and give us the opportunity to prioritize our lives so that we are as on the ball as possible. If meditation sounds like something you might be intimidated by, pause for a moment and consider why that is. Are you afraid you won't be successful in stopping your thoughts from occurring? Are you concerned that sitting still will be impossible? Are you afraid that it will be a waste of time to sit still in the silence when there is work to be done? Or is it possible that you may not want to face yourself and your thoughts and feelings head-on? Whatever your reservations might be, meditation is a proven way to help us get in touch with ourselves and learn more about what we need in order to thrive. It is crucial to look inward so we can begin to deal with our obstacles in a calm and constructive way. Meditating can help us to carve out a sense of peace and control for ourselves, even when it seems like things have become emotionally charged and difficult to contain. Meditation can give us more power and control over the way we react to difficult situations and to each other. We can find a calm space and avoid needless confrontation, while also utilizing a tool that can help us to focus and thrive. The best part about meditation is that there are so many different types of it that there is bound to be one that works for you and that can benefit your life. All you have to do is try. The benefits far outweigh any negativity that meditation might entail. But don't just take this book's word for it. Try it for yourself. Let's get started. Meditation is a tried and true method of deep personal introspection. It has always served as a way to disconnect from the hectic toils of daily life and into a space that is calming, comforting, and simply your own. Meditation can be used for many purposes. Whether you are seeking a deeper spiritual understanding of yourself and the world around you, or you want to train yourself to be more productive and make choices that will help you to move forward effectively with your goals. Meditating can also provide comfort and peace in times of turmoil and grief, or simply be a great way to relax after a stressful day or situation. However you hope to benefit from meditation, it can succeed. The chances are very high that there is already a meditation or type of meditation out there, whether guided or that will be tailored toward exactly the state of mind you are hoping to achieve. There is more to meditation than just personal growth, however. Meditation can be a great way to help your body heal and maintain a good balance. Meditation is proven to be a very important part of reducing stress and anxiety. It can help us succeed in combating depression and provide us with a deeper understanding of ourselves so we can identify bad habits and patterns that prevent us from living our best lives. It is almost like a way to give ourselves therapy without spending all the money on outside input. In fact, coupled with therapy, meditation can be a masterful tool in shaping your life into the most productive and satisfying structure you can imagine. All of us could benefit from force of healing and inner organization that deep introspection can provide us. Not only that, but meditation has some other healing effects as well. For example, if you suffer from insomnia, meditation can be a great way to improve your sleep cycle. It helps us to reduce the stress that is preventing us from having a restful sleep and can address the problems that we are experiencing that contribute to a poor sleep cycle. Overall, the health benefits of meditation go on and on. It is a significant tool in helping us to change our focus, summon calmness and relaxation, and improve our mental and physical health every day. If you feel that you could use the benefits of meditation in your life, then this is the guide for you. Now let's move on to the different types of meditation. Most of us approach meditation the same way. We picture it as an experience full of candles and humming and uncomfortable leg positions, intended for the impossible task of emptying the mind of all clutter and distractions so we can just simply be. Maybe you picture flowing white gowns or turbans. Who knows? However, meditation has become more than just the stereotypical image most of us conjure with the word. It is an important and life-changing tool that can help us to understand what is holding us back so we can move forward. It can be utilized in so many amazing ways. And people who are terrified that they just can't sit still long enough for meditation to help them may be surprised to find that there are actually forms of meditation that function based on the movements of the body and getting proper exercise. Many people don't realize that there are so many ways that you can meditate. The Guide to Beginner Meditation is a great resource to begin learning about the different variations of meditating. To begin with, mindfulness meditation has benefits for those who have experienced past trauma and have a hard time staying present. Loving kindness meditation is also a good way to help those with past trauma, and can help to instill a sense of self-confidence and self-awareness, as well as compassion for yourself and for those around you. The guide also touches on subjects such as Kundalini yoga meditations and Zen yoga, which are great tools for balancing the body and mind. Guided meditations can also be incredibly useful, especially for beginners to meditation. There are thousands of resources for those interested in learning more about any of these methods, and the Beginner's Guide is a great place to start. Each of us have unique experiences and struggles. It can seem incredibly difficult to find a routine or method that helps us to keep the balance in our lives. Fortunately, there are options. And meditation can help. Whether you find that you are having a hard time finding peace within yourself, relaxing after stressful situations, or having a hard time with creating a structured plan that will help you achieve your goals and objectives, there is hope with meditation. Learning more about yourself and the way you work can benefit you for the rest of your life. You may find that you are more productive now than ever before, because you are giving yourself a chance to reflect on your choices and learn what works best for you and what causes you to falter in your success. Utilizing meditation is a great way to learn more about the impact you have on your own future, whether you are hoping to improve your eating habits, gain motivation, practice better conflict resolution, or let go of things that cause you pain or strife. Meditation can also be an incredible tool for anybody who is interested in deepening their spiritual understanding and gaining experience in navigating the deeper meaning of the life they live and the world around them. Whatever the case may be, there is guaranteed value in learning to discipline yourself and your mind, and steeling your resolve to accomplish great things and carve out a time and a space for yourself that is structured to help you grow. There is no wrong way to meditate, and it only gets better once you dive in. If you would like to create a routine that provides you with a great way to learn more about how you can make your life better, nurturing a reliable meditation technique is the way to go. Pick out a time to try your first meditation, and consult the Beginner's Guide for more information on the way each type of meditation can be used to help your body and mind thrive. The sooner you dive in, the sooner you will start to see and feel the results. Many people may be afraid of what they will find when they surround themselves with silence, but the best way to get ahead is to know thyself. Know where you can use strengthening and know what it is you value the most so that you are more ready than ever to make the changes you need to make to get wherever it is that you want to be. Don't hesitate. Get your copy of the Beginner's Guide to Meditation today. To truly understand what makes us work is the first step in changing our lives for the better. No matter where we may fall on the spectrum of human consciousness or advancement, there are always ways that we can improve ourselves and better our lives. Even if our goal is to simply enrich ourselves with a new approach to spirituality and seeking enlightenment through the calming practices of meditation, we are taking necessary steps in improving our quality of life and enhancing the interactions that we have with those who are most important to us. To meditate is a very personal journey, though it can be possible to include our loved ones. Guided meditations can be a great way to include those who matter most to you and encourage them to find peace right alongside you. However you choose to experience meditation and whatever you hope to gain from it, you can find comfort in knowing that it has been a resource that has consistently helped human beings for thousands of years. All of us can stand to gain more insight into ourselves. We can all use more self-awareness and a comfortable, restful pace to go to in our minds when it feels like the world has just become too much. Meditation is a healing journey and a respite, a powerful resource for anybody who needs to find and maintain the balance in their lives. So, no matter where you are in your journey, you can take comfort in knowing that meditation is a tool at your disposal, and that you can learn just how easy it is to utilize for your own benefit. In reading The Beginner's Guide to Meditation, you will provide yourself with the tools you need to succeed in creating a meditation routine that can change your life forever.